In this video, you are going to learn how to ask questions on Instagram. So you guys are probably all Instagram users. Take a second to go and check out our Instagram page. We've got a lot of cool tech videos and stuff on there. But you might have seen on Instagram stories, people posting questions where there's like a little question or they say, ask me a question. I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. So what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to open up Instagram. And once you have Instagram open, you're gonna click on the little camera to go to just, your Instagram story page or whatever. Now, you can just take a picture. So here, maybe we can do like a selfie. Oh, that was blurry. Okay, and now that you have that taken, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click this little sticker tab thingy. And you're gonna see, if you scroll down a little, you'll see this option right here that's called questions. And then it's gonna default pop up and say, ask me a question. Of course, you can click right there and you can say like, what's your favorite food? And then people can answer your question. Or like I said, you can just leave ask me a question and have people ask you questions. So there's a couple different ways to use that, but it's really that simple. And so then when you post that to your Instagram story, people will see it, they can type in a question. And then when you go to review your post, you can see responses. So if I were to post this to my story and then review my story and I go to the question, I can just swipe up. And when you get responses, you'll see responses right there to your question, or you'll see the questions that people asked you. All right, guys, that's how to ask questions on Instagram. If you like this video, if you learned something new, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you next time.